Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by picking a template size that fits your final use, card, Instagram story, or 5x7 print, because format shapes layout decisions. Next, set one color palette and one font pairing so the design stays unified. This saves time later. Then upload 3 to 5 photos plus any handwritten message scan. Once uploaded, you can drag them into placeholders. Make sure to name layers and group related elements immediately to speed edits and avoid accidental moves. You now create the composition. Place photos into grids or frames so spacing stays even and responsive. Once photos are set, apply one filter or preset across all images to unify tones. This removes mismatched lighting. Then add shapes and one decorative element like a floral vine. Keep it subtle to avoid clutter. Also, use alignment guides and spacing values to fine-tune margins, and lock background layers so you can move foreground text without shifting the layout. You finish by refining text hierarchy. Bold the recipient name, use a readable body font for the message, and add a small callout like Happy Mother's Day. Then export correctly, PNG for digital sharing, PDF print with bleed for physical cards, making sure images are 300 dpi for print. If something goes wrong, check bleed settings, confirm resolution, and unlock any accidental locked layers. Often a hidden locked element or wrong export setting is the single cause of output.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.